Eufy Video Doorbell Camera S330, a comprehensive review. The Eufy Video Doorbell Camera S330 is a battery-powered 2K smart doorbell that combines 2 cameras and 2 motion sensors for enhanced people and package detection. Let's dive into the pros, cons, and key features of this impressive device. Pros. 2 cameras. The dual camera setup provides a comprehensive view of your front door area, ensuring you don't miss any activity. Sharp 2K video. Enjoy high-resolution video quality for clear visuals. Free local storage. Say goodbye to monthly subscription fees. The Eufy doorbell stores recorded video locally. Intelligent alerts. Get notified when someone approaches or when a package is delivered. Easy wireless installation. No complicated wiring required. Cons. Limited integrations. Unfortunately, the Eufy Video Doorbell Dual doesn't support HomeKit or IFTTT. Hub required. You'll need the included Homebase 2 hub to connect the doorbell to your Wi-Fi network. Key features. Dual cameras. One camera monitors people, while the other keeps an eye on packages. Motion sensors. 2 motion sensors enhance detection accuracy. Rechargeable battery. Lasts up to 6 months before needing a charge. Night vision. Infrared LEDs ensure clear footage even in the dark. Weatherproof design. IP65 rated for outdoor use.